So, okay, this is the end of station 1. And it's March the 25th. And it's March 25, right?
Yeah.
So, this is the kind of... ganito ang... Tagalogin ko na lang. Ganito ang sitwasyon. Sa part na to, end of station 1. Itong part na to, grabe ang LJ. So if you're planning to come in March, ganito. Ganito siya. So there you go. Yan ang LJ. Tignan mo, green na green. You can swim all the way there and it's okay. Pero tingnan nyo naman. Diba? So just to let you know. And today I think it's gonna rain. Yep. So anyway, yeah. Yep, LJ season.